We are zooming into the realm of mental toughness, uncovering timeless wisdom from the ancient philosophy of Stoicism. In this video, we'll explore 7 powerful Stoic lessons that can help you cultivate resilience, conquer adversity, and achieve success in every aspect of your life. From embracing challenges to mastering self-discipline, these principles offer practical strategies for navigating life's ups and downs with confidence and clarity. So, buckle up and get ready to supercharge your mental resilience with insights from the Stoics. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Your support means the world to us as we continue to bring you valuable content. Now, let's dive into the world of Stoicism and unlock the secrets to unstoppable mental toughness. 1. Embrace adversity. Stoicism is like your personal coach cheering you on when life throws curveballs your way. Instead of ducking and dodging challenges, it tells you to tackle them head-on. It's all about turning those tough times into chances to level up your skills. When you trip and fall, Stoicism whispers, "Get up and try again, stronger this time." It's like a secret weapon against feeling defeated because it helps you see the silver lining in every storm cloud. Stoics believe that every obstacle is a golden opportunity to grow, kind of like how lifting weights makes your muscles stronger. So when life gets tough, channel your inner Stoic and turn those setbacks into stepping stones toward becoming a wiser, calmer you. 2. Focus on what you can control. Stoicism isn't just about having a tough attitude, it's also about focusing on what you can actually change. Think about it like this. Some stuff in life, like the weather or what other people do, you can't do much about. But instead of stressing over that stuff, Stoics say to put your energy into the things you can control. It's like when you're studying for a test. You can't control how hard the test will be, but you can control how much you study. By concentrating on what you can do something about, Stoicism helps you stay positive and not get overwhelmed by stuff you can't change. So next time you're stressing about something out of your hands, remember what the Stoics say. Focus on what you can control and let go of the rest. 3. Cultivating self-discipline is crucial for mental toughness and is a fundamental principle in Stoicism. Stoics firmly assert that achieving inner peace and self-mastery hinges on fostering self-discipline and self-control. This involves building the ability to resist temptation, delay gratification, and remain steadfast in pursuit of your goals, even when faced with difficulties or discomfort. Self-discipline is a cornerstone of Stoic philosophy and is essential for developing mental toughness. By refining your capacity to resist temptation, delay gratification, and stay committed to your objectives, you can cultivate the discipline necessary to persevere through challenges and setbacks. Furthermore, self-discipline nurtures inner strength and confidence, proving invaluable when navigating demanding situations. 4. Developing emotional strength, or emotional resilience, refers to the capacity to bounce back from setbacks, failures, and disappointments while maintaining composure in adversity. Stoicism places significant emphasis on cultivating emotional resilience as a critical aspect of mental toughness. This involves learning how to manage emotions, respond to setbacks rationally and objectively, and prevent negative emotions like anger or despair from overwhelming you. Emotional resilience entails rebounding from setbacks and preserving a calm and composed demeanor in challenging circumstances. Stoics argue that emotional resilience is vital for building mental toughness and can be fostered through deliberate practice. By mastering the skill of managing emotions and responding rationally to setbacks, you can nurture the resilience needed to overcome obstacles and progress with confidence. 5. In Stoicism, being grateful is super important. It helps you become mentally strong by making your mind tough. When you practice gratitude, you're basically saying thanks for the good stuff in your life, even when things are tough. It's like finding the silver lining on a cloudy day. Stoicism teaches us that even when life throws curveballs, we can grow and learn from them. So, being thankful, even when it's hard, is a big deal. It helps us build mental muscles to handle whatever life throws our way. So, when you're going through rough patches, remember to count your blessings. That's what Stoics do. They see tough times as chances to grow and learn. Gratitude is like their secret weapon against life's challenges. It's all about appreciating what you have, no matter what's going on. That way, You can face obstacles with a strong mind and a positive attitude. It's like turning lemons into lemonade. In Stoicism, gratitude isn't just a nice feeling, it's like a superpower. It helps you build mental toughness, which is like having a shield against life's difficulties. When you focus on the good stuff, even when things are hard, you're training your brain to be resilient. You're saying, hey, tough times, bring it on. I've got gratitude on my side. So, next time you're feeling down, try thinking about the things you're thankful for. It might just give you the strength you need to keep pushing forward. 6. Understanding and embracing acceptance is like learning a secret weapon for dealing with life's ups and downs. Stoicism, this cool ancient philosophy, teaches us that instead of fighting against what's happening, it's better to accept it and focus on what we can control. Picture this. You can't change the weather, but you can bring an umbrella. That's the kind of mindset Stoics want us to have. By accepting stuff we can't change and working on what we can, it's like we're building mental muscles that help us stay strong when life throws curveballs. Plus, accepting things as they are brings this chill vibe inside us, making it easier to handle tough situations without freaking out. It's like having a Zen master living inside our heads, guiding us through the chaos of life. 7. Maintaining outlook. One key element of mental toughness is preserving your perspective. The Stoics emphasize this, highlighting the significance of maintaining a clear and objective outlook on the world. This means avoiding being overwhelmed by negativity or pessimism. By cultivating a sense of detachment from external events and focusing on what you can control, you enable yourself to uphold a rational and objective mindset. This allows for making wise decisions and taking effective action. With a clear perspective, you can sidestep emotional reactions to setbacks and challenges, handling situations calmly and rationally. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. I hope you found those Stoic lessons on mental toughness as enlightening as I did. If you gained some valuable insights, don't forget to give that like button a gentle tap and hit subscribe to join our community of growth seekers. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Which Stoic principle do you think you'll implement first? Or perhaps you have a suggestion for a topic you'd like us to explore in future videos. Drop it down below. Your engagement fuels this channel and empowers me to keep delivering content aimed at helping you navigate life's challenges with confidence and clarity. Remember, the journey to mental resilience is ongoing, so keep pushing forward, stay resilient, and never stop striving for your best self. Until next time, take care and keep leveling up.